Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to be showing you how to add schema to your WordPress website. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video to the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up the official WordPress website right here at wordpress.com if you have not already, and after opening it up successfully, you'll be greeted by the main page where in the upper right corner you can get started with logging into your account. If you do not already have an account, just create a new one, and after logging in successfully, you'll be greeted by this home page right here where in the left side screen you can find all the sections you can access, such as home, statistics, upgrades, and so on. So let's go ahead and take a look at how we can get started with adding schema. Basically what we're looking for guys is right here in the left side screen. You want to find the plugins section. Go ahead and open up plugins. Once you have opened up plugins successfully, it's going to open up the plugins marketplace right here where you can take a look at all the plugins you can get started with using for WordPress. And what we want to do is use the search bar right here at the top of the screen. Using the search bar, you want to search for schema. So searching for schema guys is going to go ahead and enable us to search for all the results related to schema. And now you can go ahead and take a look at all the plugins you can use. You have this one right here or some other one you might want to test out. You can go ahead and choose the one that works the best for you. So what you can do is open up this schema plugin right here that you want to use. And if you have a premium plan, as you can see, currently I'm on a free plan, so I cannot install it. I need to upgrade to a plan. But if you have a premium plan, you can click the install button and get started installing it to your WordPress website, adding it successfully, and start using your plugin for using schemas. And it's easy as that. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.